Hello everyone, welcome to Jenkins tutorial. So today we will see how to create a parameterized job in Jenkins. Now, why to create a or what is the use case for creating a parameterized job? Like in various cases, on case to case, in some projects or some applications, we may need to provide some inputs at runtime to the Jenkins job, or maybe one Jenkins job is passing some parameter value from one job to another job. So those cases it may be helpful whenever you want to have a runtime input for the application or job. So in that case, we may need that and like most of the times you do need that. So let's go through and get started like how to do that. So for that, like I'll go with the first part, which is like we'll just create a freestyle project first. Okay, so we'll go with this job in the freestyle mode, then we'll check with the Jenkins pipeline later. So I'll just go ahead and I'll skip all the basic parts and because it's just for demo purpose on how to utilize this, so we'll just focus on that part. This is the description. I go to this project is parameterized, and there are various other options. If you see, like you can select boolean, choice, and various other things. So maybe I'll just consider the string parameter for our use case. So I'll just use the variable name or the name here as project. So just remember, like it will act as a key value pair. So whatever you give here in the name, it will act as a variable, and it will take some default values from here. So I'm just giving the default value of maybe Java. Okay, and then we will go and go ahead with by skipping all other steps, and I'll directly go to the build step, select the shell script as my node or the master node is I'll be running for this, and this is which is on Mac machine. So I'll just have a small script which is basically nothing, but what it is doing is like it is just checking the project, like whatever we have set here in the key part project. If it is Java, then it will go to this if condition and it will print this is a Java based project. If it is not other than Java, then it will print this Node.js based project. So this is our simple script which we'll be trying to use for our demo. So that's it, like how to create the parameterized job. Now let's see how it's functioning part. So I'll just click on the build with parameters, and here I can see like this is the default value. If you want to have some other value, you can replace here. Maybe I put Node.js, or maybe whatever you say. So you say Python. So when I click this, it'll go and run the build, and within few seconds it should be success, and we'll see like what is the output. Okay, we can see this job is run, it is success, and it has gone to our variable, and the variable value was Python, which we fed, and is not equal to Java. Hence, this is a Node.js based project, which is going to the else condition. Now, for doing it properly, maybe you can just have it default value Java, and when you build that, and it should build and it should display the echo as this is a Java based project based on the condition. So if we see like Java is equal to Java condition here, hence it is printing like this is a Java based project. Whereas in the previous case, like we put it, it was in the else part of the if loop where we are just simply putting this is a Node.js based project. So that's it from the parameterized section part via or using freestyle job.